Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. The last coat cleans, shines, and protects. Dr. Colorchip, automotive paint chip repair systems. And by Dorman Products, driving new solutions.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings from the SEMA show. The name MB Quart has been out there for decades when it comes to mobile audio, but Rob, the last 5 years or so, you guys have really launched into the stratosphere. What's been the change?
It's definitely our adventure in the UTV market. So we've been developing these UTV-specific audio kits for big names on the market like Polaris RZR, General, Ranger, Honda Talon, and these kits are plug-and-play kits, so it's easy installation, great sounding audio for your UTV, and we're doing a Jeep audio system too.
The thing I like about it is it's specific to the vehicle, not just a generic one-size-fits-all. How does that improve the look and performance?
Oh, the fit and finish is perfect, right? Better than OEM quality for all these panels, and the audio quality just skyrocket from the OEM sound.
I talked about your being around for 2 decades. How'd you guys make your name in this business?
Well, that's definitely from our mobile side of the business. So we have a full line of speakers, amplifiers, and subwoofers. So anything from your tow vehicle that's towing your UTV to your tricked out hot rod or show car. Anything for any application with our standard mobile line of product.
And quickly, if you have speakers, you need a way to power them. How can you help me there?
Oh, we have this new RA1 amplifier series line, top mount controls, a size for any application, and that way you can put it perfectly in your vehicle.
Your system's going to look and sound great, and they have a system for every budget. Check them out at mbquart.com.
Electrification is here to stay because of projects like this one, the Hummer EV from General Motors and GMC. They've advertised over 1,000 horsepower for the pickup truck version. This SUV model, 830 horsepower, over 11,000 pound-feet of torque. Think about that. It's a massive vehicle with massive power. They've done such a great job just pushing the technology forward. How forward? This will be on the streets in 2023. MSRP between 80 and 110 for what you're getting. It's a bargain.
Anytime you're doing a restoration or a build, you're going to want new suspension, a new chassis underneath, and of course a new engine. You want to go to fuel injection. When you do that, the wiring can get tricky, but it's not so much voodoo, Chris. You guys have made it easy here at Hotwire. How do you do it?
Well, we build a complete standalone engine and transmission wiring harness that has everything you need to run the engine and transmission, and a 4-wire hookup to get it running. Very simple, very clean. It's meant for hot rods, muscle cars, Jeeps, off-road vehicles, whatever. We can make any of it work for you.
What makes and models are you covering?
All the GM, Ford, and Chrysler, basically 96 and up, all the way up to the brand new LT1s, LT4s, the new Hemis, and the new Coyote motors. We're getting ready to get into the Godzilla motor here shortly, so we're looking forward to that as well.
And we're not talking universal harnesses here.
Not really, no. Everyone's custom built. So we have a standard layout, but if you need something longer or shorter, or you're doing a rear engine design, you have to have stuff come off the front, we can handle all of that kind of stuff for you.
These guys take the mystery out of wiring your fuel-injected engine. Go to hotwireauto.com. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Always glad to have you along for the ride. We're going to be back next week to do it once again. And in the meantime, you can check out our Facebook page to see what we're up to. And if you have a product you'd like to see on our show, email Jeff at masterstv.com. From our entire crew, we will see you next week. So long.